Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today we are at 6,500 subscribers, and once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, guys. Today I want to talk about Crypto.com and how, well, I think there's going to be some more FUD, guys. And when I say FUD, it's going to be lots of people panicking over nothing of substance, but just keep that in mind. I want to talk about Crocoin, what's going on with them, Chris Marszalek speaking out about Crypto.com, as well as the overall macroeconomics of the crypto space and of the traditional market. So I will say that when we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away this loaded line NFT, guys, which is very, very exciting. And each month you are a YouTube member, you'll get an additional plus 10 entries. This is about $2,500. Pretty excited to give this away, guys. And let's hop into this video. So right now we are playing around with $19,000 Bitcoin, guys. The past couple days have been pretty nice, getting some pretty big rallies. Basically, everything is up in green right now. The only reason why, if you're unaware, that these are red, these are basically stable coins. And when the markets are pumping, usually people are pulling their money out of the stable coins and putting them into these other cryptos. So that's why these are down. These are will always be pegged at $1 unless something catastrophic happens. But that's besides the point. Bitcoin is doing really well. CRO is up, but CRO is up right now, and I'm happy to see that because I tweeted this out today, guys. Keep an eye on CRO today. Chris having to lay off 20% of global employees, guys. Chris Marszalek has to lay off 20% of the global Crypto.com employees. That's unfortunate, but let's take a deeper dive into this. Okay. So he came out and said, today we announced a difficult decision to reduce our global workforce by about 20%. He says, as I shared with the team today, while we continue to perform well, market conditions and recent industry events have made this the right decision for the company at this time. You know, guys, I'm confident that if he had to do this, he had to do it. He had to do this for the health of the company. And honestly, I really hope that there isn't a lot of FUD or backlash that he gets for this because, the entire purpose of a company is to make profit. That's just how it is, guys. Companies are there to make a profit, to make money. And, he probably it probably didn't make sense right now because of the market conditions. Then he had to lay some people off. All impacted personnel have been notified and want to share my sincere gratitude for their contributions. He shows an excerpts of what I shared with our team today available here if you want to see the nitty-gritty. He says, I remain as confident as ever in our business and in the future of crypto, but I recognize we have a lot of work to do to help restore trust in the industry. It will take time, but we will get it done. Guys, I have a lot of thoughts behind this. Hopefully, first off, that the 20% he's laying off will be some of the Crypto.com NFT team. Just kidding, but not really at the same time. To replace him with some better players. But, it's okay that they're laying people off. It's okay. Guys, they lasted a long time. We did lay people off before the bear market, or just as the bear market was starting, and now we're laying more people off. Maybe we just don't need them. Maybe they're just an expense. Maybe they are not helping to build the company. We don't really know the full details about it, but I will say that I really hope that he doesn't get a lot of backlash for this because this is just the way business works. Sometimes you got to let people go, and it's unfortunate, but do you let a few go or do you let the company collapse and everybody loses their job and you have unhappy investors? At the end of the day, we talk about CrowFam and the community and how important that is, but really at the end of the day, when it comes to Crypto.com as a business, if they're not making their investors happy, then the show is over. So that's something to keep in mind, guys. I think that this is okay. It's okay, but be prepared for some turbulent markets, guys. Be prepared for some big people tweeting about this today, spreading FUD over the next week or so, and it's going to be just that, guys. It's going to be FUD. When McDonald's lays off 10% of their workforce, is everybody going to say, oh, McDonald's is done for, it's done for, during extreme economics times? Guys, everybody has been laying people off in this past year because of the terrible macroeconomics. It's just as simple as that. And, guys, you know what? when we recover, it'll probably be the opposite. I mean, look at Binance. So this is my other curious thought, because Binance is out here and they came out and said that they are hiring thousands of people. They said between 1,800 and 2,300, something like that, in between those numbers of people that Binance is hiring. Very curious, guys. Very, very curious. Binance doesn't have to spend their money on marketing nearly as much as some of these other exchanges like Crypto.com, because they're the number one spot. They're on top. They are. It's as simple as that. But you know what, guys? They have more funding to be putting into hiring more. But Crypto.com is taking that funding and putting it towards marketing, and I think that's a good play. I really do, because honestly, when recessions are around the corner, or if we're in a recession, whatever you may call whatever this is that we're in, and companies are laying people off left and right, and the macroeconomics don't look good, a very, very important thing for businesses to be doing is by taking a hold of the market share by marketing heavily. And a lot of these companies don't do that. It's actually a huge missed opportunity in my mind, because they cut back and try to reduce spending. But if they were to expand their spending into marketing in situations like this, they'll be kind of just they're going to be marketing in a vacuum, and they're not going to have any competition, and it's just a very, very successful marketing strategy. So hopefully we see something like that. But until then, it is curious that they had to lay off 20% of the workforce. It's unfortunate, but I know that they're doing the right thing. So let's look at the CRO coin chart, because I thought, oh man, like we're probably gonna get a little capitulation from that, or a little move to the downside, a little spook. But guys, we're looking mighty fine right now. We're testing this resistance right here at about 0.0679 cents. I would love to see us break above that, but that's our resistance point right now. Guys, we've been just climbing. We've been climbing. It's great. That news has not really done anything so far today, but we will see. We will have to see when the news starts spreading, as I would definitely have been on top of this. That tweet just came out, but guys, we're looking good. CRO coin is looking good from the bottom to the top. I mean, we're up 25%, guys, in the past 2 weeks. It's incredible. It's incredible. I want to see us break above this 0.068, 0.067 mark, turn this level into support. And I think if we bounce and retest this line, if we come up through here and bounce, retest, our next stop is 10 cents, guys. 10 cents. Fair value CRO coin is 12 cents. If Bitcoin goes up to 20K, now we're talking 25 cents for CRO. Guys, we're looking great. We're looking really, really good. So let's look over at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, look at that, guys. Look at that candle. I love to see that. I love to see that. We're looking at the weekly right now. A weekly green candle on Bitcoin is looking mighty fine, guys. Would love to see us break above that $21,000 mark. If we can get a weekly candle close above this, about 18,500. If we get a weekly candle close above that, I think our next stop is testing this resistance level at about 21,000. And I mean, if we can turn that 21,000 resistance into support, oh man, then we're gonna have a nice little rally, guys. And I'm looking forward to that. We're leading closer and closer into this Bitcoin halving, guys. And you know what I've been saying? 365 days leading into the Bitcoin halving. I really think that the hype is just gonna keep starting up. And I mean, really, it has started. But I haven't seen anybody start sharing and shoving Bitcoin halving articles down my face anywhere recently, but it's around the corner. When that happens, it's going to start really, really popping off, in my opinion, guys. So let's go over the S&P 500. So right now, we are bouncing up. The markets have not opened just yet, but in the next 30 minutes, they will open. But guys, I'm bullish. I call me crazy. This may be a bull trap here, but I'm bullish until I get proven otherwise here. This curvature right here is awesome, and seeing a test on this resistance, let's get a breakout, guys. If we can get a break above this, and we can turn this into support, oh my gosh, we're going to have a risk-on asset rally, guys. Crypto is going to pump. It's going to be great. But until then, I am cautiously optimistic. We could have a rejection. We could come down here. We could test down here. Probably bring us down on the overall market in crypto and risk-on assets. But until then, Jerome Powell, the CPI was bullish. So I think that we I think we're okay right now. I don't think that we're going to have any capitulation unless something crazy happens. So keep that in mind. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please consider liking and subscribing on the video and becoming a YouTube member or a Patreon because you get up to plus 10 entries additional to being a subscriber to winning this loaded line NFT, guys. And we really want to give away this at 25,000 subscribers. Super excited. There's going to be more giveaways as well. To become a member, all you got to do is click this join or go down below this video and click the link to join membership. Click this. You get different loyalty badges and different emojis, as well as our private Discord, which will have NFT alpha, NFT whitelist giveaways, trading signals. Super excited about it. We just launched that a couple days ago, so we're still fleshing it out. But thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.